Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to transfer ticket from one leader to another leader. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Helpdesk Ticket Transfer. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Helpdesk app and see here this menu Ticket Transfer. First go to Tickets and here team leader is the admin, but I want to reassign another. So go to ticket transfer, team leader is the admin, start date and end date, and now click on these load lines. 10 and 12 between all created tickets are load here. And this team leader is a admin, but I want to assign another. So select demo and laptop for I want to assign Joel. Now transfer and see here this team leader is a demo and laptop for Joel, and also sign emails. Now go to settings, go to emails and see here this Helpdesk ticket transfer notification. Previous team leader is the admin. So here notified that all ticket for assigned demo and 2 for assigned Joel. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.